What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, Wealth Hacker Labs. This is Jeff Rose, once again, your gracious host. Many of you have already received your economic stimulus check. I know that you are excited. Hallelujah, it finally came. Many of you are still waiting. Earlier this week, I did a video talking about how you can actually track your payment on the IRS website. But when I shared that video, that link or that portal was not live yet. Well, guess what? It is finally live. And I thought it'd be kind of fun just to do a live capture of what it's like to see what the status is on your check. Well, I guess my check, even though I don't have a check coming, but I'm kind of curious if this portal actually works. So this is on the IRS website. You can go to irs.gov and then you'll see this nice little pretty blue button that says, get my payment. Give me my money. Let's go click on that. I like how it says, due to high demand, you may have to wait longer than usual to access this site. I'm surprised their servers haven't crashed yet. Nonetheless, so click on this and I am waiting. I am waiting. I am waiting. This is that awkward silent time. I'm waiting, just waiting. Do, 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 do. Bum, 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 bum. I'm just gonna set myself a timer to see how long this actually takes.
1 hour later.
Okay, so that took about 3, maybe 4 minutes for this finally to get brought up. So it's here. All right, so use of the system constitutes consent to monitoring, interception, recording. Okay, so click that nice OK button. And now where do we go? All right, so you gotta enter your personal information. Let's just assume that I'm entering my information, but you're not going to be able to see this at all because, you know, that whole identity theft thing. I cannot talk and type at the same time. Wow, it didn't even let me see what I typed in. It's probably not a bad thing. All right, so I've entered all my personal information in, and it says payment status not available. According to the information we have on file, we cannot determine your eligibility for payment at this time. For more information on rules, see our FAQ page. I'm just gonna click on that so you can actually see if that happens to you. Here's the resource link, and I'll include this in the description as well. Who is eligible, who is not eligible, all that fun stuff. And I guess that's it. So that took what, maybe 7 minutes to go through the process to find out I don't have a check coming. Hopefully, if you haven't received your check yet, you are getting something different than what you see here. But that is the current status of what's going on. It's live, it's working. I really thought that I'd be waiting 20 minutes or longer. I just like being on hold, you know, like calling DirecTV or your internet company, whoever, and just being on hold. Didn't happen. So anyway, they actually got this portal going. Yeah, so I'm curious, if you haven't received your check yet, have you gone through this portal and did you get an answer or did you just get this? Let me know in the comments below. Hope you're all doing well. I got another video I'm working on. I'll be publishing here soon. So stay safe. This is Jeff Rose reminding you that your money, it's your life, and you can make it awesome. Till next time, peace.